my lovelies! Welcome to Art by Ester A. This video is part 3 of the Crazy Pages International Art Journal Pages trade, created and organized by Ayala Art, aka I Love to Paint. Please show her some love and visit her channel. And also check out the playlist of everyone's video for the Crazy Pages event, linked above. In this video, we're going to take a look at how I put together one of those pages, the leather and pearl page you see here. First, I cut a piece of cardboard from a cereal box into 5.5 inches by 7 inches, leaving that 1/2 inches on the left for binding. Then I glued a piece of scrapbook paper onto it. I used a piece of paper by Prima Marketing called Artisan Parisian leather paper in the smooth finish, 12 inches by 12 inches. All of the supplies used for this project are listed in the description box. Next, I picked a swirl cutout from K & Company Brenda Walton Adhesive Borders pack. I glued it to the bottom left corner and decided to leave the rest of the page blank to create a focal point. For step 3, I used the soft body paint by Golden, called Iridescent Bright Gold Fine. I used this gold to highlight certain parts of the swirl cutout. This made it stand out more and gave it a bit of a regal look. Since I knew my trade partner would be painting on this design, I didn't want to do too much to it. For the 4th step, I decided to use some pearls that came cut in half and were in 3 small sizes. I chose to alternate the sizes depending on how thick or curvy that section of the swirl cutout was. To glue them on, I used Elmer's glue again. I applied the glue to the pearl and paper by using a dotting tool. This specific tool is called the Martha Stewart Crafts Stylus and comes with a scoop on the other end. It is also sometimes called an embossing stylus. This page was very simple to make. I can't wait to see what my trade partner does with the leather design. Being a part of the Crazy Pages event has been an honor. I have had so much fun. Once I receive the pages that the rest of my group made, I will paint an image or design onto their backgrounds. I will be filming the whole process, including a DIY video on how to make your own art journal cover and how to bind or attach the pages to the journal. So don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notifications bell to receive a little message when a new video is posted. Thanks for watching Art by Ester A. Paint on, my lovelies!